Hey first graders, I hope that you are all doing fantastic. Today we are doing a math review. So our learning targets for today are I can add and subtract without and with regrouping. I can use data to answer questions from a graph. I can tell time to the hour and half hour. I can count coins up to $1. So here's an example of a addition problem with no regrouping. Start on my right side, I'm going to add 5 plus 4, which I would get is 9. Then 3 plus 2, which is 5. Go ahead and pause at any time to do these with me. Now here is one with regrouping. Again, I start on the right side, 7 and 4 more. Well, 7 plus 4 I know is 11. I carry my 1. That's where my regrouping is. Now I can go 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer for that is 61. Now here is subtraction. First I'm going to do no regrouping. Now I check. Okay, well if I have 4 Skittles, I can give 2 away and I'd still have 2 left. Then I take 3, take away 1, is 2, so my answer is 22. Now again, I go over here, I'm going to regroup in this one. I look at this, if I have 4 Skittles, can I take 5 in the way? Uh-oh. If I have more on the floor, I go next door, or bigger bottom, better borrow, go next door and borrow 10 more. So I'm going to cross my 4 off, and I'm going to cross my 3 off. I'm going to get a 10 from the 3, so I have 2 left. And here I now have 14. I'm just adding 10 to the 4. Now I can subtract 14 minus 5, and that is 9. 2 minus 1, which is 1, so I have the answer of 19. Another item you have to do is clocks to the hour and half hour. Now remember, when you are doing clocks to the hour, all right, our minute hand is pointing right up to 12, and our hour hand, which is shorter, is pointing right at the number. Now, when we do a half hour, our minute hand, the longer hand, is at the 6, and our hour hand, which is smaller, is between the two numbers. Now remember, anytime we talk about the half hour, we always have to go back to the 1 or to the number that it just passed. So in this case, it would be 1:30. All right, so here is your to-do list for math today. You have 5 minutes of addition facts, 5 minutes of subtraction facts, and those are both on the distance learning page just below this video. And then for your assignment today, you have review quiz 4, and that is due tomorrow. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.